How to fix the Microsoft production failed. So let's start. So firstly open your Windows and go into your File Explorer. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of the this PC and click on it. Now from here go in your local disk and select the option of the program files or the program files, and here is the multiples numbers. Now from here you have to find the option that is Microsoft Office, rather this option is in the program files or program file multiple, so you have to find it in which it is available, so you just have to tap on it. Now from here go in the Office 16 and tap on this option of the osprey.exe, and you have to right click on it and tap on the run as administrator, and after that you have to repeat this process about 3 times. So once you're done with it, you just have to restart your computer, and after that you have to go in your Windows, and from here you have to search for the Microsoft Word and simply click on it. So once you go in it, you are able to fix this option. So that's how you can fix the production field in your Microsoft Word. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.